In this video, the 9 types of clothes you should declutter right now. Bonjour French ladies. If you always say you have nothing to wear, it's probably because you have too much of the wrong stuff. In this video, I am going to be suggesting to you what you should really be getting rid of, and most importantly, why. We have lots to get through, so let's get right to it. The first thing you should really be getting rid of today is the things that you don't wear. Come on, ladies, let's be honest here. We all have things that we don't wear in our closet. And it's for many reasons. Surveys have shown that most people wear only 20% of what's in their wardrobe. If we're not wearing it, why have we still got it? Let's get rid of it right now. List 3 things from your wardrobe that you don't wear and you're going to get rid of right now. Let us know in the comments. Here's a pro tip for you. One of my pillars of French chic is quality, not quantity. So buy less, but better. The second thing that you should get rid of right now are pieces that don't fit you. Our bodies fluctuate, our weight changes. We're getting older, so we may no longer have the same body shape as we used to when we were younger, and so things may no longer fit us the same. Maybe they're too large, maybe they're too tight, maybe they're too short or too long. If they don't fit you, let's get rid of them. Once again, list 3 things that don't fit you from your wardrobe in the comments below. Our third pieces that you should get rid of straight away are damaged pieces. With a furious pace of living these days, our clothes take a battering every day. So buttons fall off, linings get ripped, the heels of our shoes get broken, we get holes in our sweaters. So why are we keeping those damaged items in our wardrobe? Let's get rid of them. Do you have damaged pieces in your wardrobe? Let us know in the comments. Our fourth items to get rid of straight away are painful or uncomfortable shoes. You know those shoes? Those you only have to walk around the corner and they give you blisters? They hurt your bunions or they pinch your toes? Well, it's time to get rid of. List right now 3 pairs of shoes that hurt your feet. Let us know in the comments. Our next type of clothes to declutter today are duplicates. Yes, duplicates can be quite good, especially if you wear them. For instance, I have a number of blue strap shirts. And why? Because I do wear them. But if I had 10 shirts, but only worn 1 or 2, I think there are a few I would need to declutter. So if you have duplicates that you don't wear, maybe it's the time to say goodbye to them. Do you have duplicates you never wear? Let us know in the comments. Our next type of clothes that you should declutter right now are those that don't fit in with the rest of your wardrobe. And that makes you wonder, why on earth did you buy it in the first place? Let's admit it, ladies, we all have 1 or 2 outliers in our wardrobe that we have bought on impulse with our best friend. Maybe after a heavy lunch and a good laugh. Maybe a short leopard miniskirt, a neon shirt, or Birkenstocks or Crocs. I think it's time to declutter them. What is your most outrageous outlier? Please share with us in the comments. Okay, we've had plenty of fun so far, but now let's get a little bit more serious. Our next type of things to declutter now, or not, are sentimental ones. It is such a sensitive matter, and I hear from many of my French chic ladies who have a lot of trouble getting rid of things that are sentimental to them. But I tell them that if it is much too difficult for them to declutter these things completely, well, they don't have to. What they could do is keep them, but at least remove them from their closet and store them somewhere else, so that their wardrobe is filled with things that they do use and wear. What about you? Do you have sentimental pieces that you have trouble getting rid of them? The sentimental items I am talking about, for instance, your wedding dress. Things that you don't wear every day, but things that are very close to your heart. or heirlooms that were handed down to you from your mother or grandmother and that you don't wear at all but want to keep. But I could also include sentimental attachments to some things. For instance, expensive items that you have paid a lot of money for, but that maybe you are too embarrassed or guilty to get rid of. These items, you can store them separately from the things you wear every day. And maybe you need to work through those emotions. And maybe one day you will know exactly what to do with them. Do you have the sentimental pieces that you can't get rid of for a number of reasons? Please share with us in the comments. Okay, seriousness aside, now what about our next pieces that we should get rid of immediately? Well, they're pieces that are just not us. They just don't suit our personality or our lifestyle. For instance, for me, there would be boho, floral, little house in the prairie dresses. They're just not me. Our life is a journey and also our style. So as our life changes, maybe we are retired, we're getting older, or we moved away. And so what we have in our wardrobe may no longer reflect who we are right now. So is it the case for you? Have you moved away or have you retired but still hang on to those clothes that you can no longer wear? Let us know in the comments. Our next type of pieces that we should declutter today are those that make us feel blah. I always advise my French ladies that if it's not a wow, it's a non. But in this case today, if it's not a wow, it's an out. If you enjoyed this video, you would love the video on screen now.